Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LENOVO ThinkVision X1A monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your low blue light mode. At first, open the settings menu using this button here, and now you have to go to the right and to the adjust image properties. Now we have to click OK, and here we have to go to left to low blue light. We have to click OK, and here we have on or off, on or off. We can set it to the on to enable it, but as you can see our screen now is very dark, and we can now disable it, open and get it again, and clicking off. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.